like let's say I want to edit this Excel document with Eric, who's also in this same team, so he's already going to have access to this file. And you can see he shows up, Eric Clark is here, he has the workbook open. If you so choose, you can click on those folks and start a chat within the document to talk off of the document, but still collaborate at the same time. And you can see, I can tell where Eric is in this spreadsheet. You know, we can add additional breweries here if we really wanted to, right? So I can type in maybe another brewery that I really like, Platt Park Brewing, down in Denver, Colorado. And that's going to be real time. Eric's going to see that change. If he enters in some information in this spreadsheet, I'm going to see that change. The beauty is this is also auto saving. So by default, documents that are in your OneDrive or shared in your SharePoint or Teams files are going to automatically save and be updated real time for others to see. And you can see that Eric just made another change there. A couple of cool features that you can see in this document as well. You have a share icon up here. And so you can share this document out with others if this is maybe stored in your OneDrive. And you can also view some details, maybe the name of the document. Since other people are editing it, I'm not allowed to change that right now because that would break some stuff. So it's grayed out, but you can see where it's located, the name of the file, etc. So jumping out of this spreadsheet, I'm going to swing over to another PowerPoint that we've created, showcasing some of our favorite breweries. And you can see as I hop right into this PowerPoint, I can tell already with these blue highlights and this notification up in the corner, while I was gone, Eric made some changes. So it's really slick. It's really convenient when you're, you know, maybe working from home and you've got a team of people collaborating on a document. You can quick and easily see some changes that the other people have made. You can see where they're at in the document. Same as with the spreadsheet, you can, you know, maybe start a chat with the other folks or share this out to other people.